Why you need a will and trust, brought to you by Barry Law Offices. A lot of people assume that as long as your children will inherit their possessions when you die, that they don't need to put a plan in place with a will or trust. One important consideration is when will your children receive their money? Under Minnesota law, children will receive what their parents left for them when they reach the age of 18. Well, think back to when you were 18. Imagine receiving $100,000. How would have you spent it? How about an example to help comprehend how serious those consequences can be? Meet Mike and Ashley. They have one 12-year-old daughter, Brittany. In an unfortunate series of events, Mike and Ashley died tragically while skydiving. You guessed it, they did not have a will or trust set up. Because of this, their belongings went through probate and were awarded to Brittany. When Brittany was 16, she didn't bother getting a job like her friends did because she knew she had her parents' money and house waiting for her once she turned 18. On her 18th birthday, Brittany received the biggest gift of her life, her parents' house and a bank account worth over $125,000. After high school, although she went to college, Brittany didn't worry about her grades and instead lived like she had all the money in the world. She spent it on cars, expensive clothes, friends, and parties. Brittany failed out of college and ran out of money shortly thereafter. Her parents' house was foreclosed on, and Brittany's credit was forever damaged. She now works 2 low-paying part-time jobs just trying to support herself. Tragic, right? This could have been entirely prevented if Mike and Ashley had taken the time to plan and set up a trust for Brittany that provided her financial resources when she was older and more prepared to handle it. Even after their death, Brittany's parents could have controlled how Brittany spent her inheritance and influenced Brittany to make good life choices. Using a trust, Mike and Ashley could have included a variety of conditional requirements to Brittany's receipt of her inheritance, including making money distributions dependent on good grades, staying drug-free, or maintaining gainful employment. With a trust, Brittany could have received her inheritance when she actually needed it, rather than when she wanted it. A trust allows you to parent from the grave. In the long run, your kids will appreciate it.